Hello student. Now we continue our lecture exercise 10.3 with the next sum, that is 9. 9 sum में he is saying in figure 12.27 AB and CD are two diameter of a circle. AB and CD are two diameter, listen carefully, are two diameter of a circle perpendicular to each other means that angle be 90 degree, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA is equal to 7 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of this and that region. Okay, now we have a circle and two diameters as like this. This. A circle is there and this form a triangle. Okay, beta. Now he is saying find the area of this circle and that region. Now beta, since in this is the semicircle, and in semicircle this triangle is right angle triangle. This triangle is right angle triangle, as you know. Okay, now but we don't need for that. Dimension from there to there, dimension is 7 centimeter. He's saying OA is equal to 7 centimeter. OA is equal to 7 centimeter means OD is also equal to 7 centimeter. O, D and E. If OA is equal to 7 centimeter, then OD also 7 centimeter. OA is equal to 7 centimeter, then OD also 7 centimeter. So radius of this circle, radius of smaller circle, you know very well, that is 7 by 2 centimeter. So area of small circle, that is pi r square, 7 by 2 complete whole square. Now in this triangle, this is also 7 centimeter, this be also 7, and this complete be 14 centimeter. Again देखो बेटा, this is our required diagram. If this is 7 centimeter, then this is also 7 centimeter, and this is also 7 centimeter. So required area is equal to, आप कहेंगे सर area of semicircle minus area of semicircle minus area of triangle, this one, plus area of smaller circle. So beta, area of semicircle, that is half semicircle. Circle का area pi r square, then semicircle का area half into pi into r is 7 square. Okay, minus area of triangle, that is half into base, beta this is base which is 14 centimeter and height. He is saying this is 90 degree. इसने क्या कहा था बेटा, जो ये एंगल हैं each 90 they are bisected, so this angle is height, half into this into that plus this one pi r square, pi into 7 by 2 complete whole square. After solving this you will get answer. Next question, our next question is 10th question, that is the area of an equilateral triangle. Listen, equilateral triangle ABC is this centimeter square with each vertex of triangle as center, as a circle is drawn with the radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Means if this is the dimension or these circle are half the dimension of this, if this is 14 then this is 7 and this is also 7, this is be 7, this is be 7. Why? Because equilateral triangle have all sides equal. Find the area of the side region using pi 3.14 and under root 3 is equal to 1.73. Firstly beta, area of equilateral triangle we are given, we have this ABC, A, B, C. Just a minute. One circle is that, one circle is that, one circle is that. We want to find the area of this. हमें पता है बेटा this angle is 60 degree. Why? This angle is also 60 degree and this angle is also 60 degree. And these three sectors are equal. These three sectors are equal because having same dimension. All the three sectors have same dimension. This form a sector. This form a sector. Okay. Now you know very well required area is required area. You say sir, area of triangle, area of triangle minus 3 into area of sector, minus 3 into area of this sector. This sector means 3 sector है ना बेटा, so 3 into area of sector. Okay. Now we have given area of triangle, but for finding the area of sector, area of triangle is 1732 0.5 minus 3 multiply area of sector, that is 60 upon 360 into pi r square. R we want to find the r. अब देखिए बेटा एरिया गिवन है दिस, वी नो एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल, एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल क्या होता है बेटा, √3/4 a square is equal to 17320.5, 17320.5. So a square will become, this come to that side 4/√3. You know value very well, √3 value is given 1.73205, 1.73205. This 10 be there, multiply 1 2 3 4 5, 2 3 4 5. This will be cross out 0 to 0, that is this implies a square is equal to 4 1 2 3 4. So a is equal to 200, a is equal to 200. So side of this is 200, so this will be 100. R will be 100. Okay. After solving this, you will get the answer. आज के लिए इनफ बेटा, बाय, टेक केयर। और हाँ बेटा, आपके एग्ज़ाम में जो फ्रॉम 5 अक्टूबर स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, उसमें आपका चैप्टर कौन कौन से आएंगे ये देख लीजिए बेटा। फर्स्ट, सेकंड, 4, 5, 7, 10, 14, 15, these are 8 चैप्टर बेटा। 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 10, 14, 15 ये चैप्टर आपके एग्ज़ाम में आएंगे, इसलिए हम अब 12 चैप्टर के बेटा 2-2 क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं। ओके बेटा, बाय बेटा, टेक दीज क्वेश्चन। ओके।